1209 Stepford Express, service to Lynn by the Sea via Morganstown. Calling at Morganstown, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Wester Coast, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. Your attention please. The 1204 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Your attention please. The 1203 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central has been cancelled.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. We will call at Morganstown, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Wester Coast, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be Morganstown.
Does not stop. Please stand by. Does not stop.
We will shortly be arriving at Morganstown. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.